Morning class. In the previous class, we were doing the lesson Mowgli in Trouble. So today we are going to continue with the same lesson. Have a look, page number 6. Good hunting greeted Baloo. All creatures in the jungle greeted each other. So here Baloo and Bagheera went to Kaa to ask help, and at the time Baloo said to Kaa, good hunting, and he said that all creature in the jungle greeted each other. Greeted means like good morning, good evening, good hunting. So this way, good hunting for us all, Kaa also replied to Baloo, and he asked to Baloo, what are you doing in this part of the jungle? Then Baloo replied, it is the Bandar log that we follow. Baloo said that I am here in the jungle because I am following the Bandar log. Those nut stealer and pickers of palm leaves have stolen away Mowgli. And he said, you know those nut stealer, those picker of palms leaf, they have stolen away my Mowgli, our Mowgli. Help us get our friend back, said Bagheera. So Bagheera also added, and he said that please, Kaa, help us to get back our friend, and we will pay you for this favor. Even as he spoke, they heard the fluttering of wings. So when they are having a conversation, they heard a fluttering of wings, and the fluttering of wing was Run the Kite. So Run the Kite landed beside them and said, I have seen Mowgli among the Bandar log. He asked me to tell you the Bandar log have taken him beyond the river to the coal lairs. So here Run said that I have seen Mowgli, and Mowgli told me to give you a message that the Bandar log has taken him beyond the river to the coal lairs. Thank you, Run, said Bagheera. So here Bagheera said, thank you, Run, for your message. So have a look at the next page. I will remember you and repay this debt. So Bagheera said, thank you, Run, and I will remember your deeds toward us, and one day I will repay this debt. Having delivered his messages faithfully, Run the Kite flew away as swiftly as he had come. Baloo and Bagheera looked at each other with concern. The coal lairs was an old deserted city lost and buried in the jungle. So Baloo and Bagheera, they looked at each other with concern. So the coal lairs where Mowgli was taken was a deserted city and was lost and buried in the jungle. It is half a night's journey if I go at full speed, said Bagheera. So here Bagheera said, it's a half night journey. Though I will go full speed, it will be of a half night journey. I am quicker than you. Let me hurry and you may follow me, Baloo. So Bagheera said, I am quicker than you, Bagheera. So you follow me. Let me go first. Baloo nodded. He knew that he could not run as fast as Bagheera could. So Baloo nodded, and he was thinking in his mind, he knew that he could not run like Bagheera. Bagheera hurried forward. Kaa, the huge rock python, went away with him, saying, I will teach those monkeys a lesson. So Kaa also went away with them, saying that he will teach the monkeys some lesson. In the coal lairs, the monkey people were very pleased with themselves. They joined hands and danced about. They sang their foolish song. One of the monkeys made a speech and told his companions that Mowgli capture marked a new thing in the history of the Bandar log. So here in the coal lairs, the monkey were very much happy. They were dancing, they were rejoicing, they were singing their foolish song. Then one of the monkey made a speech and told to their companions that Mowgli, capturing Mowgli, they had marked and a new beginning in the history of the Bandar log. He said that Mowgli would show them how to weave sticks and canes together as protection against rain and cold. So the one who make a speech also said, the Bandar said that Mowgli now will teach us how to make a cans with the stick, and they could protect themselves from rain and cold. So Mowgli picked up some creepers and began to work them in and out. Some of the monkeys tried to imitate Mowgli, but soon they lost interest and began to pull their friend's tail or jump up and down on all fours. So here Mowgli, what he did, he pick up some creepers, okay, creepers, and he began to work them out. The monkey also follow and imitate Mowgli, but soon their interest was lost. So they began to monkeys only, no? So the monkeys began to pull their friend's tail or jump up and down on all fours. Mowgli saw that they were not really interested in learning anything. Their tribe would always be silly and foolish. So Mowgli saw that the monkey were not interested to learn in anything. So Mowgli thought that monkey will remain monkey only, as silly as foolish. Well, the Bandar Lok searched and met mischief. Bagheera and Kaa reached the coal layers. They observed the chaos from afar. So here the Bandar Lok screech means a loud, harsh, preaching cry. They are this sound, no, they are making a sound. So Bagheera and Kaa also, they reached the coal layers and they observed the chaos. They observed the noise from far afar. I will go to the west wall, Kaa whispered. So Kaa told that I will go to the west side of the wall and attack them from there. I shall go to the terrace where they have kept the boy, said Bagheera. So Bagheera said that I will go from the terrace where they have kept the Mowgli. By then it was dark. Bagheera's light feet hit the terrace. None of the monkeys saw him at first. Swiftly he struck several monkeys in his path. So it was already dark. So no monkey has seen him nor terraced him. So Bagheera swiftly struck several monkeys from his path. The monkeys began to fight back. So the monkeys also, they began to fight back. He is alone. So the monkeys, they are saying that he is alone. Kill him, kill, they scream. A scuffing mass of monkey biting, scratching, tearing and pulling close over Bagheera. So many monkeys, they came and some of them were biting, some of them were scratching and tearing and pulling close to Bagheera. A few of them dragged Mowgli away and trapped him in another room. So some of the monkeys, few of them took Mowgli and dragged him to another room. Bagheera and Mowgli were both surrounded by monkeys. They needed help. So here Bagheera and Mowgli, they were both surrounded by the monkeys and they also need help. Suddenly a growl pierced the air. So at the time, a growl pierced the air. Bagheera, I am here. It was Baloo. He had reached. He ran towards the monkeys that had surrounded Bagheera. He attacked them fiercely. So Baloo said, Bagheera, don't worry. I am here and I have reached. So he ran towards the monkey those who were surrounding Bagheera and Mowgli. So he attacked those monkeys. Manville Kaa met his way to the monkeys from the other side. A python 4 or 5 feet long can knock a man down if he hits him fairly in the chest, and Kaa was 30 feet long. His first strike was delivered into the crowd around Baloo. So here, a python, 4 or 5 feet long, a man 4 or 5 feet long can knock a man down. Okay, if he is directly in the chest, and this cow was 30 feet long, just imagine. So his first strike was delivered into the crowd around Baloo. There was no need of a second strike. The monkeys scattered with cries of Kaa, it is Kaa, run, run. So after seeing that, the strike of Kaa, the monkeys ran and said, it was Kaa. This is Kaa. Run, all of you, run. Kaa was everything that the monkeys fear in the jungle. None of them knew the limits of his power. None of them could look him in the face. And none had ever come alive out of his hug. And so they ran away terrified. So alone Kaa was the one whom the monkeys afraid. So by looking at Kaa, they all ran away because they know the limit of his power and they cannot face Kaa. Baloo and Bagheera were relieved. They immediately freed Mowgli from the room where he was trapped. Mowgli thanked them both and asked, are you hurt? So Mowgli thanked for freeing him and asked Baloo and Bagheera, are you hurt? Are you okay or have you got hurt? It is nothing, the brave creature replied. There were wounds on their arms and legs, but this would heal quickly. So they replied, it is nothing. Although there is a wound in our arms, but it will heal soon. Mowgli then turned to Kaa and said, look at the next page. We are of one blood. I owe you my life tonight. My kill shall be yours if you are ever hungry. O Ka, I have some skill with my hands. If you are ever caught in a trap, I shall come to your aid. So here Mowgli said, we all are one blood, and I owe you my life tonight. My kill shall be yours. Here kill means here an animal kill in hunting. So today the first animal whatever I will kill or whomever I shall kill for the dinner, that will be yours. So I have so many skill of my hand. So if ever you got caught in a trap, I will help you and I will give you aid. The python dropped his head lightly on Mowgli's shoulder. You are brave and respectful, but now go quickly with your friends. Go and sleep, for the moon set and it is late. So here the python Ka said that you are very brave boy and you are very respectful. But now, for now, you go quickly. No need to hunt. Go quickly with your friends and get a sleep, because it is too late. So now go and sleep. Now said Bagheera, jump on my back, Mowgli, and we will go home. So Bagheera said, now, please jump on at the back of me and we will go home. Mowgli lay his head down on Bagheera's back. Together they all made their way back towards the home. As Bagheera carried him, Mowgli slept so deeply that he didn't wake up even when they all reached the home cave. So at last what happened? They all walked back from the tower. From where? From the place where Mowgli was kept. So from there they walked back home. So while they were walking back home, Mowgli slept on the back of Bagheera and he didn't wake up until they reached their home cave. So today we completed our lesson here. I hope children you are clear with it. Please read the lesson. Thank you.